Hello everyone, we are headed into a very busy week. This Sunday we're flying back to LA. I have an appointment at my hairdresser, planning a photo shoot. Tomorrow I'm doing my nails, shopping to do, and it's gonna be very hectic these couple of days. I didn't post a video on last Monday because I've been so busy trying to pack all my stuff, trying to get all the papers ready for Fluffy because Fluffy is flying with us to LA. Can you believe it? I'm so happy. I'm so glad that we don't have to drive back, and we'll be in LA for only a week and then we'll fly back to Miami. But these couple of days are gonna be very hectic, very busy, but I am gonna try to vlog a little here and there. So yeah, I have my design ready for tomorrow for my nails. I'm very excited. I hope she's gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna work a little. Busy following my accountant class through Zoom. Funny thing that happened today, one of the guys had his mic on mute and he was just snoring during the class. Just received a package for Fluffy, record of the academic, and over here we have a water bottle, universal. Thank you guys so much. I'm getting my nails done. It already looks very pretty. I like the shapes. I can't wait to show you guys the end results. I already can't stop staring at my nails. They're so pretty. I just finished my nails. Doesn't it look pretty? Oh my god, she did the Winnie the Pooh that I asked her to do. She's so talented, really fast, and she's so friendly, so nice, and I'm really happy with my nails. On the other hand, I want to show you guys these ones. The office. After I did my nails, we went to get some groceries. I went to my aunt's house and she cooked for us and we had an amazing dinner there. We came home very late, so I didn't do any vlogging yesterday. Today I'm very excited because we're gonna do my birthday photo shoot. My birthday is in a month. I also got like some party supplies and all those kind of stuff because my sister-in-law's birthday is coming up and I'm gonna surprise her. I'm gonna decorate for her. It's gonna be so amazing. So I arrived at the office and I guess somebody missed me. I was just gone for 30 minutes, Fluffy. I'm on my way to do my hair for my photo shoot. Here we go. I just washed my hair and now he's gonna start doing the styling. Result! So my hair is done, my makeup is done, my nails are done, and the photo shoot is not done yet. We're on our way to the first location. This is my birthday shoot. So I was trying to cut something with the scissors and my nails got caught between the scissors, and well, then I cut my nail by accident, or it broke, and I had to fix it fast. So we took super glue and we just glued it for the photo shoot. I hope it's not gonna be noticeable, but it was just a little piece anyway. It was just the top part. We are on location. As you can see, I already have my birthday crown on. We're walking towards the location. It's such a cute place. We're in Coral Gables, which is east from South Miami. It's very humid. I'm scared my makeup is gonna melt at this point. I'm trying not to move. Like a castle, and I feel like a princess. So much greenery here in Coral Gables. That building there is a hotel. I'm wearing slippers at the moment. And I brought my heels. I'm just gonna put it on in a bit. Got my skirt from Amazon. It's actually from Victoria's Secret, and I just combined the two and it looks like a cute princess dress. I'll talk to you guys after the shoot. Guys, it's a wrap. We're done. I'm done. I actually worked very hard because look at all the sweat coming off of me, guys. This is hard labor. All for my birthday shoot. I'm very happy with the pictures. I'm gonna share the pictures with you guys very soon. On my birthday, obviously. So much stuff and so little space. Here's a suitcase, there's a suitcase, there's a suitcase. That one is going with us. There's 2 suitcases. There's more stuff that have to go from the freezer in the bags and then in another suitcase. I do a little last minute errands and we have to be at the airport around 5ish. It's gonna be packed. Bye! Hi guys, I've arrived at the house. It's 2:35. I gotta cook fast because I'm making food to bring in the airplane. If I don't have to cook, if I don't have to eat the airplane food, I don't want to eat it. Most of the time, it's not that good. So, I'm making curry chicken very fast. I'm running late. Guys, I'm making curry chicken. It's very easy, very simple. I'll share the recipe with you guys one day. Ready to go. The last thing that I have to do is put the food in this bag. I've packed the food. Yum, we're gonna eat in the airplane. I'm wearing sweatpants with a bodysuit. I have my jacket here because it's gonna get cold in the airplane. I'm wearing my Minnie Mouse socks. Aren't they the cutest? We know you have your boots ready. I'm just gonna say goodbye to Maria real quick. Hey Maria, are you gonna be a good girl? We're gonna see you when we're back. Yeah? Okay, bye. We are sitting in the lounge and we're waiting for our flight. We'll go in about an hour to the gate. It's very calm at the airport and I'm so glad that they're practicing social distance in the lounge. There's nobody next to us. And we just ate painabona soup and mac and cheese. I had my Coke and Luffy is enjoying his view. Found our seat. Luffy is sitting with me. in it we have an eye patch, a hydrating hand and body balm, we have a lip balm, some tissues, ear plugs, to help boost your energy, some kind of powder, you mix it with water, and we have the toothbrush and the toothpaste. Yeah. Dinner is served. Over here we have the short rib with couscous and some beans, a carrot and a creamy sauce. Over here we have a little salad with that looks like bulgur and lemon, and we have a dessert, we have bread, and we have a salad, and the main course I'm gonna eat. Almost there, 2 hours more. Fluffy is still sleeping, took over my chair. Waiting for our Uber. And here she is. Ta-da! Yay! We have arrived at Circa.